In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find private messages in TradingView 2026. If you're using TradingView and want to check your direct or private messages, the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where the messaging area is located so you can access your conversations quickly and easily. To begin, go to TradingView and open the platform as you normally would. Make sure you're on the main TradingView interface or dashboard, because that's where the messaging tools are available. If the page is still loading, just give it a moment so all the side panels and icons appear properly before moving on. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a second to get familiar with the screen layout. TradingView has a lot of tools, charts, panels, and shortcuts, so it can feel a little busy at first. That's completely normal. What you want to focus on here is the group of icons along the right-hand side of the screen. Now direct your attention to those icons on the right. This side panel usually contains features related to watch lists, alerts, data panels, and communication tools. Since there are several icons stacked together, it helps to scan slowly so you don't miss the one you need. What you're looking for is the message icon. This is the icon that gives you access to your private messages. Depending on the current TradingView layout or updates to the interface, the icon may appear small, so it's worth checking carefully. If you hover over the icons, that can also help identify the correct one more easily. As soon as you find the message icon, click on it. This opens the messaging section where your private conversations are stored. After selecting it, a panel should appear showing your message history and any existing chats connected to your account. At this point, you can now view all of your private messages. From here, you can open conversations, review previous messages, and continue any chats that are already there. This is the main area TradingView uses for private communication. So anytime you want to come back to your messages, this is the same place you'll return to. If you don't immediately see messages, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that the panel is fully expanded. Sometimes interface panels can be collapsed, so a quick check of the right side usually solves the issue. And that's it. That's how to find private messages in TradingView 2026. Once you know where the message icon is, accessing your conversations becomes fast and straightforward.